roll over to 16.
Coming on to Lola Gloria. Why is this driver running?
20.
You better stop! Get down the grass, okay?
In this video, you'll witness 4 of the most wild chases where everything went wrong. Intense moments, unexpected twists, and shocking endings. Don't miss how it all turned out. On October 10th, 2024, an unknown man attempted to flee from the police, leading to a thrilling chase. In this video, you'll witness how the events unfolded and see how it all ended.
All right, Schwab, all yours.
16. You got all the information I sent to you at 1037 southbound of 7 Turn into some apartment complexes here in Greenland. I've got Greenland and CID. Back out to 71. Pull it down.
Where can they run through?
Traffic's medium for line, northbound 71.
Hey. What?
Shit. TBI roll over 216.
Hey. Hey.
Hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Hands! Show me your fucking hands! Now! On the ground! On it! On it! Get out! On the ground! Get the fuck out of the window! You got him? Hey, go grab him real quick. Go put handcuffs on him. Who else is in the car besides you two?
We can't want this. Why is this happening? Why is this happening? I didn't want you to do that.
Get off.
I
Get off.
can't.
Get off.
I'm trying, sir.
Now get out on it.
Didn't do this,
On
sir.
the ground.
Yes, sir, I didn't do anything.
Who else is in the car?
Sir, I didn't do anything, I promise.
Is there anybody else in it?
I'm down. I ain't done shit.
You move and I'm gonna pull your f***ing head off.
Yes, sir. I didn't do that.
Put your hands behind your back, right?
Yes, sir, I didn't do that, though.
Good. You just keep your f***ing hands right
Put
there.
that seat up.
Yes, sir, I will.
Put that.
The driver violated the law fleeing or attempting to elude a police officer. It's not worth attempting to escape, as there's no point in outrunning a pursuit. What if I told you there was an even more shocking case? You won't believe what happened next. Now, let's move on to the second case. On July 13th, 2023, an unknown driver in a gray Dodge Challenger, like something out of a Need for Speed game, made an epic escape from a chase.
Contact to a 2021 Silver Ghost 3201 and a Carlos of Balloon Drive in Nashville. And NSR invalid.
Yes, he managed to escape the chase, but dear viewers, don't do this. It's a serious violation of the law and could lead to severe consequences. Be smart and cautious. Your actions can have huge repercussions. Now let's move on to the third case that happened this summer. A man provoked a chase and tried to escape, but could he get away like the driver in the second case? This is going to be really interesting.
Inside shoulder. They're about to wreck out right here. Looks like, yep, they're wrecking out in the median. Roll over, roll over.
This man broke the law by attempting to flee from the police, and now he faces fines, possible jail time, and the loss of his driver's license. Dear viewer, don't repeat his mistake and put yourself and others at risk. Be smart and cautious on the road. Now let's look at the final case, where the game GTA 5 became a reality, and the man staged a chase as if he had hit 5 stars.
– 118 West Go. Those are O. Yeah, got it.
West Coast units, EP advising vehicles getting back on frontage.
Black t-shirts, blue jeans walking away from you. Those are going to be the individuals.
Northbound on Alamo.
Left turn on Ivy, left turn on Ivy.
Left turn on Ivy.
West on.
South on 12, south on 12. Back towards it.
There it is. Signal 4. Nope.
Coming on to Raul Goria.
Southwest on frontage.
Can you see over there by the BBC 5 feet? Pit unsuccessful. He's in the parking lot. Looks like a motel parking lot. Whatever road. Northbound, road, whatever.
Northbound road, Longoria from 83.
183. Okay, you take a look. There's an 118. Right, we got a pit. Black and white. Driver running.
Victor 20, go ahead.
Southbound and.
You better stop! You better stop! Get down on the ground, okay? Put your hands behind your back. Get your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Get your hands behind your back.
Not resisting. I got cut.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Which case did you find the most thrilling? We're excited to hear your answer.